Alrighty, let's see if I can touch on everything this round. So, I have my Class B network, which has been configured. And if we actually jump into my Windows 2016 box, we can see that I have I renamed it to Windows Server. I have my IIS set up and configured, along with my file and storage services, which is using www.root as the file share, as well as I have Active Directory set up, which if we want to jump in here, we can see in the developers that there's only a single member, just me, because the other member that I created was my girlfriend, Cassidy House, which is doubled up because Mozilla decided that it was wanting to double everything, and I just let it be. So, because she's an English major and I'm an IT major, I could be the developer. She lost. So, if we actually... Oh, my puppy is upset upstairs. So, if we jump over to my Windows 10 box, we can see that it's going to lag out on me. The Windows server and the Linux server both I'm able to ping without a problem, and then I'm not able to type in that dash, so I've already kind of preset everything up here. So the Linux server, going to the Apache web server, we're able to see that that works just fine, as well as the IIS. If we just jump back here, refresh the page so that we see it actually definitely worked, and we can see that it pops up hello world, no problem. So if we want to see where that index file is actually coming from, the index.html in the, I have two different network drives here. For the Windows server, we can see that I do have read and write permissions if we go ahead and just delete this new text document, and then we have that index.html file right there. And then similarly with the Linux server, we can delete that guy, and we can see that that definitely works. So if we want to jump over to the CentOS box, just to see that we do definitely have a developers group, we have you and I this round, because I decided that, you know, I guess I should throw you in there somewhere, although I didn't capitalize your name. That's a problem. Key to consistency is inconsistency for sure. But other than that, I believe everything else has been set up. There's my second CentOS box, which has decided to log out on me, which we can see that I was able to get the Apache and the IIS server to work on that guy too, but we were having to type in the IP address because using the NetBIOS name was not going so hot because Linux does not natively support that. You have to get Samba and have that enabled to actually be able to look at that. So I believe I've run through everything. If not, please let me know and I'll be able to show you anything else that you need to know. Alrighty.